Hello. Before we begin, I want you to know one thing right off the bat. I see you, and I get you. You picked up this guide because you are tired. Maybe it's that invisible weight on your chest the moment the alarm goes off at 6 a.m. Or maybe it's that whispering voice telling you that you're not good enough, even after you've given your best. You might be thinking, if I have Jesus, why do I still feel this way? Listen to me closely. Feeling anxious is not a lack of faith. Struggling with heaviness is not a sin. It is a human fight. And God is not disappointed in you. He is right by your side, ready to hold you. Take a deep breath now. Let's talk about that exhaustion. You have been running on a treadmill that has no stop button. But Isaiah chapter 40, verse 31, offers us a different way. It says, "But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles." Think about the eagle. It does not fly by frantically flapping its wings until it is exhausted. It waits for the thermal currents, the wind, to lift it up. It rests while it rises. Your healing will not come from trying harder. It will come from leaning into the current of God's grace. You don't need to be strong right now. You just need to let go. Let's practice this surrender right now. Wherever you are, relax your shoulders. Unclench your jaw. We are going to use the prayer of David from Psalm 61. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. Now exhale slowly, and as you exhale, imagine you are saying, "Lead me to the rock that is higher than I." Let's do it again. Inhale peace. Hold it. Exhale the pressure, and say in your heart, "Lord, my heart is overwhelmed. Lead me to the rock that is higher than I." You are safe here. The rock is stable, even when your emotions are not. As you go back to your day, remember, your worth is not measured by your productivity or your performance. Your story is still being written, and the best chapter starts with this small decision to rest. For the full roadmap on how to rebuild your peace and renew your mind, open the book and let's walk this journey together. You are loved. You are held. And you are not alone.